Hello and welcome back to another episode of Steve's Monumental Adventure, and we're on Series 3, Episode 47, and we are in the Wirral, and we're going to take a look at a strange rock that has been really kind of admired by locals for a long time. It's called THORS ROCK. Let's get on with the video. We've now at our destination, which is a place called I think it's Thurstaston on the Wirral, and we are going to have a look at this THORS stone or THORS rock, whatever it is. A big clump of sandstone. You know, I like things like that. Let's go. Right, well here we are in another country park now. There's quite a lot of these here. Dotted around here. These kind of little woodland oases. But this one we're going to find is meant to be a big sandstone clump or something here. Anyway, I'm walking on the sandstone already. It's already started to make its appearance underfoot, and got this lovely old sandstone wall there that we're following as well. So we're following the right track now according to Google Maps, and it's the same sort of foliage as before really. When you look at it, we've got all of the last park, we've got all of these big gigantic ferns, oak trees, sand on the floor, you know. And one thing you need to realise about this sort of area is this is where the rich and famous of Liverpool live, out in these sort of suburbs here, you know, in gated houses and everything. That's what they got here. So we'll be having a look at that a little bit later on. We're going off a little bit off track at the moment, so according to Google Maps. So we'll just come up here a little bit, and you can actually see the sand on the floor now. We'll come up here a little bit and see if that takes us back to the track we're supposed to be on. But these ferns are just gorgeous. A real sort of Jurassic feel about it. You can see the sand on the floor now, can't you? So it really is a big clump of sandstone in the middle of this park. Yeah, it is quite odd when you look at it. I think the rest of it's been eroded away. So you can see now all this rock that's here. And this would have been just like riverbed sediment, really. Well, there you go. It's certainly interesting, isn't it? These rock formations. If you like a bit of geology, that is. But hopefully we can get on the rock now, because there were a few people on it earlier on, and I wasn't able to get up on it. So somebody's going up on it now. So it's a very busy rock, THORS ROCK. I wonder how it got its name, THORS ROCK. Certainly be interesting, wouldn't it, to find out. So let's climb up on it. It's got this well-worn pathway out of it here, almost like steps. And I know we've seen this before. We've actually seen this before, haven't we? At Kimber Edge. Anyway, so come up.
Thurstaston Common
is a 250-acre woodland and parkland area in the Wirral. The Common is an SSI site, and the hill stands 298 feet above sea level. The entire hill is underladen with a Jurassic sandstone from 220 million years ago. Just to put that into some kind of context, that meant that the dinosaurs roamed the land at the time of this place being created. Now, you have to remember that there was long days, hot deserts and lush woodlands. But Thor's stone, which is the feature of this hill, is a typical sand dune. However, it is now fossilised. The stone is full of mystery, and it's said that Viking settlers may have had religious ceremonies here. I think down there I can see 1956. I wonder if Mike and Soph are still together. The shape of the stone is due to weathering. Due to the time of the glacial movement, the area was completely reshaped. But the smooth sort of textures all over are responsible from climbers over the decades climbing up onto this lovely, beautiful red sandstone rock and carving their names. But originally it was a part of a quarry, and all of that lovely red sandstone can be seen in buildings all around the area. Well, there you have it. Thor's Rock in the middle of the Wirral, so to speak. I'm just getting the feeling this was probably maybe an old quarry of some kind originally. Absolutely, definitely an old quarry of some kind. A long since gone quarry. But yeah, interesting. If you want to come and see this, then it's Thurstaston, I think it is, it's called. I'll put it on you'll see it in the description box when I try to pronounce things. Mind you, it doesn't matter, I should be able to pronounce it. I'm not in Wales now, am I? Anyway, let's get off, back to the van for our next location.